Good evening, Mr. Puri, and
Very good
I want
evening.
to thank you very much for coming to the Imprint Automation magazine.
Thank you.
And we want to carry a small interview with you about designing the resilient system for hazardous areas
Thank you.
from your company. Please tell us a few words about your company and about this session that you are speaking at this conference today, the PPA 24 conference. Thank you, sir.
So I'm representing nVent, which is a global enclosure manufacturer company headquartered in US Minneapolis over there. So we have quite a focus in India. We do have two manufacturing plants, one in Bangalore, another one in Umbergaon. We are manufacturing the hazardous area enclosures to the oil and gas and pharma industries over there. So today's session I would be focusing on like the latest trends. In the earlier, there used to be the marshalling enclosures and then the DCS enclosures over there, wherein the number of termination points and number of the cabling used to be more. Now, what has been changing are the remote IOs. So in the hazardous area, we are putting up the enclosures, which are made of SS316, and also we can do the hazardous area powder coating so that the life increases. Within that, the modules, those are what we call the remote IO modules are given, which can communicate with the control room, and that's how the cabling is reduced over there, and then expansion also becomes very easy. So I would be elaborating a bit more over there and how nVent can help the industry. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Puri. What I want to know is how much of artificial intelligence, or rather machine learning, goes into finalizing the process for a resilient safety in a hazardous area.
Artificial intelligence would plays a part over there, but I would say still the human, what are the expertness, so the system needs to design over there. That has, I would say it is still like 2-3 years. So when the artificial intelligence would be able to give a correct solution over there.
I see. And what about automation per se? How much automation is actually in the solution that you provide?
In this, all those remote IOs, everything. So those are all automated solutions over there, wherein the communication becomes much more easier over there.
I see. In regard to communication, and what about the automation?
It is not like directly the machine automation over there.
Yeah.
It is more on like communication over there, that what are the gas temperatures.
Right.
So that's the topic.
Right. Measuring.
The analytics over there, gas analytics.
Right, including vibration and other things.
Yeah.
I see. Lovely. Okay, tell me now, since you're a senior member of the automation industry, what do you feel about the growth of the automation industry in the coming years in India?
So I believe that events like this ISA, India is growing at a faster pace, and we need to. Okay, we are, I would say, still like as compared to China, a little forward, but we need to have a step forward over there. The events like these ISA are doing a big help to us to have knowledge sharing experience and everything in that.
Right, the conference is lovely. It's almost house full.
Yes.
I think, and there are nearly 370 people registered, which is really amazing. It's a big growth from last year.
Yeah.
So the conferences do help. And do you see a magazine like Imprint helping in this process?
Yeah, definitely. We needed such kind of a magazine over there, which wherein one can look into that, because we are still working in a silo, and this magazine would help bring all the knowledge sharing, giving the contacts over there.
Wonderful. That's very encouraging, Mr. Puri. And we are also planning to start the PARA Tech Expo, the Pro Automation, Robotics, Artificial Intelligence Expo, as an emerging expo for the automation industry. Do you feel there is a need for an alternate expo?
In the automation industry, I would say it is a very well needed, and it would help reduce the errors over there, which are all the manual errors over there, and give a what kind of a repeated tasks what we are doing over there. So all those artificial intelligence is going to help a great amount.
Right. And is it our cover story is about the lack of engineers attracted to the automation industry? at this point, and the automation industry is looking for more engineers to take up automation as a career. What do you feel about that situation?
I would say India is the largest engineers manufacturer. So
Yeah.
okay, we have numerous number of colleges. I think it is certainly we need to encourage, and that's this is again a platform over there that what is all about.
Yes.
The colleges are not teaching automation as such in their
Right.
in their curriculum over there.
Right.
So those and they need to include, and also the students should be coming here. Then more the interaction, and then they would be
Right, we
more
must
interested.
attract more engineers, or probably give them more salaries, you feel?
Salaries, I would say, yeah. See, in India, if we say that we give them the salaries of what is there,
Yeah, IT.
then we lose our competitors now. But I would say the salary, yes, we
Yes.
need to pay them. Okay,
Yes.
but it's not. But we need to encourage them. We
Yes.
need to motivate, excite them.
Right. That is so
And-
true.
And once they are excited, then I would say salary would be second part of it.
Right. Mr. Puri, I want to thank you very much from Imprint Automation India magazine for joining and sharing your thoughts. And I hope you have a good show. And we hope we meet you in future on this platform. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
sir.
Thanks.